So this is our chicken rotisserie after exactly 50 minutes of cooking. The temperature in the bag is 300 to 400 degrees. So 1.2 kilo chicken, we are expecting it to be ready in 1 hour and 15 minutes to 1.5 hours. As you can see, and if you could smell, the result is very smoky. It has a very nice smoke scent that adds to the flavor profile of the chicken. We're using a very simple spice mix on the outside, and we are letting the fire, the smoke and the wood do all the job. This machine needs around half an hour to 45 minutes of building up heat if it's completely put out, and we get up to cooking temperature, and the productivity is almost 18 to 20 chicken per 1.5 hour. So very efficient, very fast, with great results taste-wise and scent-wise. If we build up fire, the productivity is 18 chicken every 1 hour to 1 hour and 15 minutes, depending how well we maintain the fire going. You can see how juicy the results are. As we say in Greece, the picture speaks by itself, which means that just by looking at it, we don't have to say anything.